Why are organizations moving away from cloud-based meeting apps? It comes down to two things: complete data sovereignty and eliminating those rising per-user licensing fees. First up is TrueConf. It is a powerhouse for enterprise security, supporting 4K Ultra HD video and up to 2,000 participants, all while running entirely on your own private network. Next, Secumeet offers a security-first approach. It features AI-powered noise suppression and is designed for critical industries like finance and healthcare, where privacy is non-negotiable. For those who love open source, Jitsi Meet is the zero-friction choice. It is fully browser-based, meaning your team can join meetings instantly without downloading any software. When we compare them side by side, TrueConf leads in capacity, Secumeet dominates in specialized security features, and Jitsi offers the most accessible open-source framework. Self-hosting isn't just about privacy. It's about taking control of your communication infrastructure. Pick the one that fits your server and start meeting on your own terms.